Hello guys and welcome back to Dr. Coffee. This is your host Dr. Kushagra, and today we are going to talk about two of India's cheapest and most selling coffees. These are Tata Coffee Grand and Nescafe Classic. So let's get into it. Nescafe Classic is fine ground instant coffee powder, whereas Tata Coffee is loosely granular. In this video, we are going to talk about characteristics of these coffees and rate each of them out of 5. And we will talk about uses of both of them and as well as extra pointers regarding them. So let's start. As usual, the first character I want to talk about is the aroma of the granules or the powder. Classic smells like ash and Tata Coffee smells like cheap coffee. There are no other words I can use to describe them. I'll give them 0.5 and 1 respectively. Second character I'm going to speak of is aroma of peared cup. Classic smells like rotten bananas. And Tata Coffee smells like caramel-ish. So I'll give them 1 each. Third character trait I want to talk about is caffeine content or strength. They just have enough caffeine in them to call them a coffee and not a muddy, warm, brown water. So I'll give them 1 each. Fourth character we will discuss are flavors associated with them. Both are flavorless, cheap coffees. So it's going to be a big round 0 for both of them. Last character I want to share is taste. To be honest, both taste like garbage, but Nescafe Classic specifically tastes like bitter water, and Tata Coffee tastes like caramel when it becomes lukewarm. Even I didn't expect that. So it's going to be 0.5 for Classic and 1.5 for Tata Coffee. The total comes out to be 3 for Classic and 4.5 for Tata Coffee out of 25. I'm not saying one is worse than other or one is better than other, but what I'm trying to say is both are equally bad, really bad. But if a gun is pointed at my head to drink one of them, I'll choose Tata Coffee. Actually, I tried Tata Coffee during one of these times when country was under the lockdown due to COVID and Amazon wasn't delivering anything, dark times, but surprisingly nearly adequate coffee. As for Nescafe Classic, I started drinking black coffee with Nescafe Classic. It was the time when Jio 4G was storming the country with its cheap internet. Good times, but bad coffee. If I have to start black coffee with Nescafe Classic now, I wouldn't. Rather, I couldn't. Now let's discuss some uses of these coffees. The first use is if you have nothing else, you can use them as a caffeine delivering system. The second use is if you want someone to have a really bad day, you can serve them these coffees as black. They will try to kill themselves after drinking these coffees. And if you have no other option but to use them, then use them with milk. It will soften the blow on your soul. Last thing I want to say are some extra pointers. These are sort of puns on these coffees. These are the reason why coffee gets a bad reputation. These are the reason why Starbucks and CCD are making money selling average coffee and coffee related products. These are the reason why people switch to tea after trying these warm, flavorless, bitter, muddy waters. What choice do they have? Come to think of it, Nescafe is actually making money by advertising and selling Classic. As for Tata Coffee, good job on your first one. Do better next time, way better. Okay, last one. These are the coffees that make people kill themselves or others. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the stuff. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Kushagra out.